Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This video will show you how to set up the collector and how to unload the debris. First, locate the top brace that you removed from the bottom of the collector unit. Remove the green shock cord. Open the first side of the collector bag by raising the side tube and pushing inward on the side linkage. Lock it in the upright position by moving the slider bracket down into the locked position. Repeat this process on the other side of the collector bag. Install the top brace at the rear of the collector bag and tighten the clamp knobs and brackets on each side. There is only one top brace assembly. If you purchase the roof rack carrier, you can install that now. Just follow the instructions in its box. Now we are going to close the rear of the collector bag. First, lift the lower rear flap and secure it to the upper flap using the buckles. Then, secure the collector's outer door panels by pulling the right door off of its Velcro attachment and swing it across the rear of the collector bag. Next, close the left door and press the Velcro on the door. Clip the outer buckles closed to secure the panels. The next thing we need to do is to install the exit chute. The exit chute was packed in box 1. Place the square end of the exit chute to the top of the blower housing and secure it with the 3 latches. Note, there are only 3 latches on the exit chute and 4 strikes on the blower. That 4th strike is used for the power unloader accessory. Next, connect the collector bag collar onto the top of the exit chute and secure with the 2 latches. Now we will go over unloading the collector bag. Open the buckles on the rear doors and pin each door onto the Velcro on the sides of the collector bag. Open the inner buckles and pin the upper flap to the Velcro strips at the top of the bag. Disconnect the bag collar from the exit chute by opening the 2 latches. Raise the collector bag by lifting the front corner of the collector frame and lock the dump linkage in place. Do not use the side tubes to lift the collector. Once the debris is out of the collector, lower the collector, close the rear doors, and reattach the exit chute. You are ready to get back to work.